Every success story begins with a dream, and dreams come true when you work hard to pursue them. सपने केवल देखे नहीं जाते, वो अपनी मेहनत से पूरे भी किए जाते हैं. Choice began its journey with a vision to become leading financial product company which can cater need of every individual and business with focus on creating products which are innovative, customizable, affordable and accessible. Our visionary leader, CA Sunil Patodia, has always believed that access to basic financial services is the right of every citizen. It is his dynamic leadership that has sown seeds of Choice as an organization to become fully integrated financial service provider. Our journey of Choice Group began in 1992. CA Sunil Patodia founded his firm SK Patodia and Associates as a CA firm, and from that point, he and his team have relentlessly pursued their goals, never once looking back. 2007 was a momentous year for Sir Sunil Patodia and SK Patodia and Associates, as the firm underwent a transformation from a sole proprietorship to a partnership, representing a significant milestone and achievement. 2008 was an important year for us where we took over Choice International Limited and incorporated subsidiaries to obtain various financial services license. In 2011, Choice initiated an advisory division offering infrastructure and financial advisory services to government and municipal bodies, and actively supporting the government in various social initiatives and projects. In addition, Choice also provides various advisory services to corporate clients, including merchant banking services and fundraising through debt and capital markets. From 2010 till 2017, we obtained various licenses including stock broking license, merchant banking license, mutual fund broking license, DSA empanelment with banks, and NBFC license. Since 2017, Choice has focused on digitalization and have launched a suite of apps. In 2017, Choice launched Investica, a mutual fund app offering a user-friendly platform for clients to manage their mutual fund investments and further expanding the company's financial service offerings. In 2018, Choice launched Jiffy, which is now Choice Finex, a trading app designed to offer clients a seamless and convenient way to manage their investments. In 2019, Choice introduced Choice Connect, a platform that enables business partners to distribute financial services to their clients, further expanding the company's reach and accessibility. In 2022, Choice Money app was launched for MSME lending. In this journey, Choice has done various acquisitions like 2017, insurance distribution business of Satyam Insurance, 2018, Kochi-based IndiTrade Capital's stock broking business, and Pune-based NG Rathi's stock broking business. 2020, mutual fund distribution business of Bank Bazaar, 2021, mutual fund distribution business of Centcard, and 2022, New Delhi-based Escort Securities Limited. Choice is now ranked amongst top 15 broking firms in India. Choice Group is listed on BSE and NSE as Choice International Limited and has created a fintech ecosystem, Choice Finex, a financial services super app to provide stock broking, mutual funds, insurance and fixed income products. Choice Money, an app which majorly focuses on MSME lendings. Advisory, which focuses on providing need-based and customized solutions to corporates and government organizations, such as merchant banking and fundraising through debt and capital markets. In advisory services, we focus majorly on 4 types of services. First is management consulting, which offers services such as business advisory and audits, taxation advisory, BFSI audits, IPO certification, business setup outside India, and FEMA advisory. Second is investment banking. We are SEBI registered category 1 merchant banker offering IPO advisory and pre-IPO support, valuation and corporate finance. Third is infrastructure consulting. It provides feasibility assessment and detailed project report for water management, road and highway, affordable housing and waste management. Fourth is government advisory, which provides expert advisory services to government on various social initiatives. We have associations with over 500 urban local bodies, 25 state departments, and over 10,000 Panchayati Raj institutions. We are expanding our reach globally, providing financial accessibility and creating employment opportunities for communities both rural and urban. Choice spreads across India to bring accessibility and consistency to every corner. We have 85 plus offices in 19 states. Our team is not just a group, but a supportive family that motivates each other every step of the way, contributing to our success. Choice cares for employees' well-being, treats its employee with equal care and love, organizing indoor and outdoor activities, providing health checkups, and conducting a vaccine drive during the COVID-19 pandemic. Choice also ensures education fees and health insurance of all the employees. Choice embodies our core values: consistency, honesty, optimism, innovation, commitment, and empowerment. We have over 30,000 plus business associates and a clientele of over 7.5 lakhs, and we are still expanding. We are inspired by Sunil sir's vision and guidance, and will honor his legacy by staying true to our values and path. With his blessing, we'll continue to grow and make a positive impact. We want to thank each and every one of you for joining us on this journey. Together, we will continue to innovate, inspire, and make a difference. Because at Choice, we believe that every decision counts.